In this video tutorial, we're going to show you how to work with the Features panel within the publication. We will be working with both the Appearance panel and the Features panel. They're both in the Design tab in the 3D Issue software. The Features panel is the panel used by the end reader of your publication, as shown on the screen right now. This presents them with a variety of options, such as the ability to print the publication, to share the publication, or to access the archive. The options available to you as the editor to manipulate how that panel is presented on screen to the reader depends on the magazine type selection under the Appearance panel in the Design tab. When the magazine is in normal mode, you can select the Features panel option to position it to the right or left, top or bottom of the screen for the end reader. Second choice available to you is to change the colour of the icons in the Features panel by choosing from the colour palette available on the screen. Let's make a change now which will be obvious to us later on. If you decide you would prefer to have the magazine type set to skinless instead, then you no longer have the option to position the panel on the screen, as that is locked at the top position when in skinless mode. However, in making that change from normal to skinless, the system will prompt you to change the colour of the icons on the Features panel. You will also be prompted to give the background colour of the Features panel a different colour when in skinless mode. This can help to differentiate the panel from the background image on the screen, or from the publication itself, and makes it more obvious to the end reader. For example, a Features panel presented with white icons in the publication that has lots of white background or white border on the pages will not be easy for the reader to view. Another option you may choose is to hide the Features panel from your readers altogether, available as a checkbox towards the end of the options presented in the Appearance section. The final area we're going to review is the Features panel itself, which is available under the Design tab. This presents you with a series of options that can be made available for the end reader of the magazine through the Features panel. You can choose to enable or disable some of these features as you see fit. You may also change the order in which these icons appear to the reader of your publication. Many of the options will be obvious to you by name, others maybe not. Content, for example, will allow the reader to access a short, quick link table of contents. Library allows the reader to access your online library of publications, to back editions of the magazine perhaps, or to other product catalogues. Notes can be added to the pages as they browse through the publication. And of course, the content can be shared through social media networks. Using the preview button on the screen, we can now review some of the changes we have made. Now that concludes the module on working with the Features panel within your publication.